If Facebook can't access your camera or microphone for videos, reels, or live streaming, here's how to fix it on both phone and PC. First, you need to check the app permissions. On phone, open your system settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Now, simply search for Facebook or Facebook Lite application, whatever you use. From this page, go to permissions and make sure that you have given all the permissions to this app, especially the camera and microphone. Now, another thing you can do is you can go ahead and check the browser permissions if you're on PC, refresh the page, or if the Facebook Lite or Facebook application is running in the background, completely close it and then reopen it. You can also try clearing the browser data or cache or clear the app's cache. Tap and hold on to this application, tap on the eye icon, then scroll down, go to storage and click on clear cache. Come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. You can also try uninstalling it completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. And if you do not want to reinstall, you can go ahead, open Play Store or App Store, simply search for Facebook or Facebook Lite application. And if you see an update button, something like this highlighted in blue color, simply go ahead and tap on it to update it to its latest version, as outdated apps or browsers can block the app permissions. Some VPNs, firewall, or antivirus apps block camera or mic access as well, so turn them off temporarily and try again. So that's how you allow the camera and microphone access on Facebook in 2025 and fix the permission issues. After following the simple steps, you'll be able to record, go live, or create content without any problems. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.